Good evening. Be sure to like our YouTube channel as well as our Instagram and our Facebook. Remember that you can help save a business, somebody's livelihood, and you could also save jobs by letting them know about these videos so that they can get their EIDL. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on our EIDL because we have until December to get your applications in, if you're going to apply for the loan, if you've been denied, if you need an increase, and we're going to talk about all of those. Thank you, one and only one Graham. Um, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I just want to jump on here because a lot of people got denied. And remember, read your denial letter. It has in bold print why you were denied. So if you were denied last year due to credit, I still would apply for a reconsideration. And the reason being is because a lot of those things were automatically generated through a computer, through a system. But now, if you file for your reconsideration, that means that a human is going to be looking at your file and can possibly approve you. Now, say that you have improved your credit since then. Let them know that if you've got just medical bills that have piled up and now they're in collections and they're on your credit, and that's the only thing that's hurting your credit, you want to place all of that in your reconsideration letter when you go back to the SBA, and if they said that you were denied due to your credit history. So, or if you've put student loans into deferment, I would explain that to them. If your credit has gotten 100 points better, let them know. Because, like I said, this is going to be a human now that's going to be evaluating your file, and you want to let them know so they can have the best picture painted of your business. Remember, this is a business loan. Even though they're checking your personal credit, you want to let them know what needs to be done in order for you to get your EIDL. So if you were denied for credit, don't assume that you were denied for credit. Read your letter. I can't stress that enough. Read your letter. It's in bold print in the middle of the page that tells you why you were denied. File for your reconsideration. Remember, this is going to be the easiest business loan that you ever get in your life. Could be a game changer. You're not going to have any payments. You don't have anything to lose because you're already at no. If you've already been declined, what do you have to lose but a little bit of time to file a reconsideration for them to reconsider your loan, talk with your loan officer, and try to get approved. Again, in your reconsideration letter, if it's just medical, to tell them, hey, I thought I had insurance. If you thought you had insurance, and or these medical bills went into collections, but as you can see on my car payment, my house payment, all of that is being paid on time. So it's not as though my credit is bad because I don't pay people. So whatever the reason is, analyze your credit report and let them know in your reconsideration letter. And when you talk to your loan officer, like I said, these loan officers are going to be calling you out of Texas. Call and talk to the operator so they can notate your file when you call in. But you're already at no, you have nothing to lose by reapplying. Reapply, file your reconsideration, and get approved. A lot of people are going from denied to approved. Also, the pandemic has caused some people to have a financial difficulties, and that's why they need a loan. So they're going to be more lenient with credit scores because now people's credit have been hurt by the pandemic. So that use this to your advantage and turn your denial into an approval. Make sure that you file for the reconsideration. Be sure, I can't stress this enough, and I keep repeating it myself over and over. Be sure to read your denial letter so that way you're not thinking it's credit when it's something else. And like I said, go ahead, apply. You're already at no, you already declined, but this is an opportunity. You could get 60, 70. Some people, depending on your gross income, you could be eligible for 200,000, 500,000, $1 million that you're going to be leaving on the table just because of negative talk in your head, negative energy around you, negative, all this negative vibes and negativity will lead you to not reapply. Reapply. You do not have anything to lose. Explain in your reconsideration letter what happened with your credit, why you need the loan, and how you can actually pay it back, or how it can actually put you in a better situation with the 3.75% interest rate if you're paying on a building or a car that you use for your business at a 29% interest rate. That this is actually going to help you put it yourself in a better situation because you're going to get the lower payment. You're going to get a longer term to pay it back for your business overhead expenses. Or if it's a medical collection, just tell them, hey, I'm working stuff out with them. Tell them what your game plan is to make things better, and that you will be able to pay them back their money. So, like I said, these loan officers, they are human beings. That original denial letter generally came from a generated system based on what was put in on the old criteria. Go back and redo all of your stuff. I can't encourage you to do that anymore than I am now. Like I said, you're already at no. This is a chance to get 50, 200,000, 500,000, even $1 million, depending on your gross receipts. So take a chance. You have nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. And don't listen to people who know nothing about nothing.